Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to walk you through how the written poem assessment is going to work today. So you will see this slide on our slide decks for today, but you're going to put everything away. Thank you for doing so. I trust you. And then your job is just to type out the poem that you have studied and memorized. So it tells you on here, you're going to type out the words of the poem from memory. I am going to ask that you use a screen recorder so that I can see both your face and your screen as you're doing so. Just the joys of online learning. So if you go to slide 4, I have recommended what I use is Screencast-O-Matic, and I never remember how to get there, so I just start typing in Screencast-O and it pops up. So on this page there is a recording of how you can use it. If I can figure it out, I know that you guys can, but it's very simple. So you'll just make sure you want to select when you get there the option to have your face and your screen. And then your test is, the document is very blank because you're going to be the one filling it in. So once my computer loads, you'll see it. But it literally is just, you're going to write down what the title of your poem is, who the author is, and then the directions are literally like, write the poem. So just for your ease, I have left a comment on the side with the different titles and authors of poems that you might have chosen. And then again, your only job is to put everything away, and it says start your poem here. You'll delete that and literally start. So whose woods these are, or however your poem begins. I do want to clarify really quickly that you are graded only on your words and not on your grammar or punctuation or spelling, although of course, I would really like you to do that correctly, but don't panic about making sure you have every semicolon, or is it a semicolon, or is it a comma kind of thing, because you're not graded on that aspect, okay? So that's really it, you guys. That's the basis of how it works. Since you have that video walking you through Screencast-ify or Screencast-O-Matic, I'm going to let you use their wisdom to help you walk through that. But if you're struggling, of course, you can email me, but by the end of the day, you might not want to wait that long. So use your resources. You look up a way on YouTube or something to use one of those screen recorders as well. I know Jaden mentioned using Loom, so you might reach out to him if you need some help using that. But otherwise, it was so good to see you guys. Good luck on your poems today, and I'll check in later about how the spoken part will work tomorrow. See ya.